Okay, so share ko sa inyo to guys, no, kung paano natin guys ma-unregister guys yung GCash account natin guys sa old phone device natin guys. So kapag kayo guys ay nakaranas kayo ng ganito guys, your account is already registered to another phone device or phone, ay ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano natin guys ma-unregister guys yung GCash account natin guys sa old phone device natin guys. Okay? So ngayon guys, ang una nating gagawin guys ay screenshot natin ito guys yung your account is already registered to another phone guys. I-send kasi natin nito guys, no, sa submit a ticket guys. Isasama natin to siya, i-send guys. So ang gagawin natin dito guys ay papakita ko sa inyo guys, punta tayo dito guys sa ating GCash. Punta tayo sa GCash natin. So, papakita ko muna sa inyo kapag na-open niyo guys yung ang inyong GCash account guys, ay ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano natin i-unregister guys yung old phone device natin guys sa GCash account natin guys. Okay? So, pagdating natin dito guys, punta lang tayo dito sa pinakababa, sa gilid. Punta tayo sa profile natin guys. Yan. Tapos, hanapin lang natin guys yung settings. Yan. So, click natin guys yung settings. Tapos, makita natin guys yung account secure guys. So, click lang natin guys yung account secure. Yan. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys, no, nandito na tayo guys sa account secure guys. So ang gagawin natin dito guys, makita nyo to guys yung my registered phone. So halimbawa guys, ito yung old phone device nyo guys at gusto nyong tanggalin guys yung old phone device nyo guys sa inyong GCash account guys, ay i-click lang natin ito guys yung arrow na ito guys, no. Yan. So click natin yan. So pagka-click natin guys, ay ito yung lalabas guys, no. Unregistered phone. So kung gusto nyo guys i-unregister na ito guys yung phone device na ito guys. Yan. So sa akin guys hindi ko siya i-unregister guys, no, kasi 10 lang ito sa akin guys. Okay, so ito lang yung gagawin nyo guys kapag na-open pa nyo guys yung old phone device nyo guys at gusto nyo guys i-unregister guys. Okay. So halimbawa naman guys, no, paano naman guys kapag hindi natin nabubuksan guys yung GCash account natin guys. So kapag hindi nyo nabubuksan yung GCash account nyo guys, ay back tayo, mag-log out tayo, papakita ko sa inyo guys, mag-submit a ticket tayo guys para ma-unregister natin guys yung ating GCash account guys sa old phone device natin guys. So punta tayo guys ulit sa profile natin, log out lang natin. Yan. So pagka-log out natin guys, ay pupunta tayo dito guys sa help center guys. So kung makita nyo guys, ito yung help center guys, no. Ito yung help center guys. So, i-click lang natin to guys, no. Papasok tayo sa help center guys. Kapag ang inyong account guys hindi niyo nabubuksan guys, no. So, halimbawa hindi niyo nabubuksan at gusto na niyo i-unregister guys yung GCash account nyo guys sa old phone device nyo guys, ay click lang natin ito guys yung help center na ito guys. So, click natin yan. So, wait lang natin guys, no. Yan. So, kung makita nyo guys, nandito na tayo guys sa help center guys. So ito na guys yung home guys ng help center guys. So ngayon guys yung ang gagawin natin dito guys ay click natin guys yung your account na ito guys, no. Under ng product and services guys, click natin guys yung your account guys. Papasok tayo sa your account. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys ng your account guys, ay scroll natin pababa guys, no. Makita natin dito guys yung account security guys. Ito guys yung account security na ito. Yan. So click natin guys yung account security. So, under ng account security category ay hanapin lang natin dito guys sa baba yung account secure na ito guys. So, ito siya guys, no, account secure. So, click natin yan. So, pagka-click natin guys ng account secure guys, ay ito na yung lalabas guys, no. So, scroll natin ulit guys sa pinakababa. So, hanapin natin guys. Ito yung ginawa natin kanina guys, no, registered your phone. So, dahil nga hindi natin mabuksan guys or nawala yung phone natin or na-lost guys yung phone natin, ang gagawin natin guys ay mag-submit a ticket tayo dito guys, no. So, scroll natin pababa guys. Yan, makita natin dito guys yung I lost or broke my phone where my GCash account is registered guys. So, gusto nating tatanggalin guys sa pag register guys yung account natin guys sa old phone device natin. Kasi nga wala na tayong access doon guys sa old phone natin guys. So, halimbawa wala na tayong access guys at nawala na guys yung phone natin guys. So, ito yung pipiliin natin guys, no. Ito guys yung I lost or broke my phone where my GCash account is registered. So click natin yan. So pagka-click natin yan guys, ay ito na yung lalabas guys, no. So sabi nga dito, if you lost your GCash registered phone, click here to report it and secure your funds. So i-click natin ito guys, yung click here to report and secure your funds guys. Yan. So pagka-click natin guys, scroll natin pababa. So sabi naman dito, if your SIM card or phone linked to your GCash registered account is lost, ay i-click lang natin to guys para ma-report natin guys. So click natin guys yung click here to report immediately. Yan. So dito na tayo ngayon guys sa submit a ticket guys. So dito guys sa submit a ticket guys ay kailangan lang natin guys ay pipila pa natin ito guys yung your email natin guys at yung GCash registered full name natin na ito guys at yung account tray natin at yung mobile number natin. So kailangan natin pipila pa to guys no. So kung ano yung naka-register guys sa GCash account niyo guys ay ganito rin yung ilalagay niyo dito guys sa submit a ticket guys para mag-match guys yung information natin guys no. So unahin natin dito guys, lagay lang natin guys yung your email natin at yung GCash registered full name natin guys na naka-register guys sa account natin. Tapos ilagay rin natin guys yung mobile number natin guys na naka-register guys sa GCash account natin. At yung your type, your account type. So ilagay lang natin dito guys yung regular account guys. So click lang natin guys yung regular account. Yan. Tapos yung mobile number natin guys na nawala, ilagay lang natin dito. Tapos yung first name guys no. Ilagay lang natin dito guys yung naka-registered guys sa GCash account natin guys. First name, tapos yung middle name guys, ilagay rin natin. Tapos yung last name natin, ilagay rin natin dyan. Yung naka-register guys no, sa ating GCash account guys. Tsaka yung date of birth, yan. Date of birth, ilalagay rin natin guys yung naka-register guys sa GCash account natin guys. So dito, what was the email registered to your old account? So ilagay rin natin dito guys yung email natin guys na naka-registered guys sa GCash account natin. At dito naman guys kindly provide all the details that will help us with you with your concern. So meron na ako ditong ginawang concern guys or feedback, pwede nyo gamitin guys or pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyo guys no. So papakita ko sa inyo guys. So pakita ko sa inyo guys no. Yan. So yan yung ginawa kong feedback guys no. So basahin natin guys. Hi GCash team, I cannot log in into my GCash application because the system says your account is already registered to another phone. My problem is I don't have access to my old phone device. Please help me to unregister my old phone device so I can open my account on a new phone device. So yan lang yung ginawa kong concern guys no or feedback guys. So pwede nyo guys, pwede nyo yan siyang gamitin or pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili nyong feedback guys no. So basta sa akin guys yan yung concern ko guys or feedback ko guys. Sa dito naman guys you may attack screenshot or files related to your concern. So ito na guys yung na screenshot natin guys na kanina guys na issue guys no. Yung na screenshot natin guys na your account is already registered to another phone. So isa-submit natin yan guys. Tapos mag-submit rin tayo guys ng valid IDs natin guys na nagpapatunay guys na tayo yung may-ari guys ng GCash account natin guys. So yun yung isa-submit lang natin dito guys no. Yung your account is already registered to another phone. Yan yung screenshot natin at yung isang valid ID natin guys. So dapat guys malinaw yung pagka-picture guys ng valid ID natin guys no para maiwasan natin guys yung error guys. Okay? So kapag okay na yan guys, napila pa na natin dito guys lahat sa taas hanggang sa baba. I-click lang natin ito guys yung submit na ito guys. Yan. So ganun lang kadali guys no kung paano natin guys ma-unregister guys yung GCash account natin guys sa old phone device natin guys. Okay? So maraming salamat sa panonood guys no. Sa mga bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag natin kalimutang i-click yung subscribe at yung notification bell button para ma-update ko kayo guys sa susunod nating video tutorial. Thank you guys and God bless sa lahat.